Hey, good morning, guys. We are gonna show you this morning how I make my homemade chocolate gravy that my boys really ask for every time I make my homemade biscuits. So it's really easy. So you just want to start. It's a half a cup of sugar. You just want to get your sugar. Half a cup of sugar. It is 1.5 tablespoons of flour. This is self-rising flour. Sorry, it's 2 tablespoons of flour. 2 tablespoons of self-rising flour. And then it's 1.5 tablespoons of Hershey's chocolate. I take my dry ingredients, I just whisk them up pretty good here. Just kind of mix them up. And it is 1 cup of milk. You just want to mix it up really good. And then I just cook it on kind of a low medium until it starts to thicken up. You want to keep it pretty stirred just because nobody wants burnt gravy on the bottom, but you don't have to stand here and hover over it. So it has been about 4 to 5 minutes, something like that, and now you will kind of notice a slight change in the color of it. It's gotten a little bit lighter than it was earlier when we started. So it's definitely thickened up, so you just want to keep it stirred at this point really good, and take it off, and it will thicken up some once you take it off the heat and set for just a few minutes. So that's it. Super easy chocolate gravy recipe. Hope you enjoy.